Another type of problem that involves using order of operations is evaluating expressions. When you evaluate, you just take one additional step where you're given a number to substitute or to plug in for a variable. So all we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the 5x squared minus 6, but we're going to be replacing the x with the 3, since it tells us that x equals 3. Always use parentheses like this when you substitute. And now as we're using PEMDAS, the P is for the parentheses or the grouping symbol. Within our parentheses, there's nothing to do, it's just a plain 3. So moving on to the E, which is the exponents or radicals, I do have an exponent. 3 squared is 9. Recopy the rest of the problem. Moving on, M and D is multiply, divide. I do have some multiplication and division. Copy the rest of the problem. And then last I have subtraction. Remember to always put a box or a circle around your final answer so that it's easy to find and check your work. And one last example here. Remember in that first video I might have mentioned to you that a fraction bar like this is a grouping symbol, sort of like parentheses. It means that you're going to simplify the top, the numerator, simplify the bottom, or the denominator, and then make a fraction out of those. So in the numerator, the only thing that is there is the 7 times 4. So I don't even need the order of operations since there's only one operation. In the denominator, I have an exponent. So I'm going to do the exponent first and copy the rest of the problem. And then I have addition and subtraction, which I do from left to right. So I would do the 8 plus 49 next. And then I would do the 57 minus 1, which is 56. Now 28 over 56, that does reduce. They're both divisible by 28. So 28 divided by 28 is 1, and 56 divided by 28 is 2. So my final answer would be 1/2.